So many of you might have faced the same problem. So I am using Adobe Animate and I wanted to draw this supercar, and the problem is that I am done with drawing the outline, and now I want to fill this outline with red color and it's not happening, right? So there's the problem. And why it is like this? Because when I was using this line tool, I had this object drawing mode on, right? When you turn on this object drawing mode, it actually makes every line a symbol, and for that reason it is not a layout right now, it is object of its own, right? So what you need to do now is that if it happens accidentally, so it's a normal thing in Adobe Animate, so it happens all the time. So what you need to do is that you need to, if it is turned on, always when you're using line tool, always check if you have this turned on. If you have this turned on, always turn this off. And like for me, some it happened as well, like it was accidentally turned on and I did the whole layout, and now I can fill it. So what you need to do, there's a very simple trick. You need to select all of this and click and right click, and there's an option called break apart, as you can see. So click this one, break apart. As you can see, now it's a stroke, and now when you want to fill it, it will fill the whole layout within color with the color of your choice right away. So that's how you do it. And if you are facing more problem with Adobe Animate and you need a hack or tip, you can always comment below of this video or any of the video, and I'll make a video to help you. So that's about it. Thank you. Take care.